Apple is going to launch its car in the next 5 years, and I'll tell you why. Just this month, another car maker in the world has beaten Tesla to become the largest EV player of the world. And it's not a German company, not Japanese, not American, not even Tata from India. It's actually BYD from China, which took an anti-Elon Musk, anti-Tesla strategy to actually reach to this height. They said that we're not going to take Tesla's strategy of launching a supercar at a premium price and then keep going lower with every subsequent launch. Instead, they started off by making buses as well as taxis. And when they reached massive scale and the cost of battery production went down, that is when they entered into passenger vehicles by launching 10 EV models at a price lower than Tesla's cheapest car. In fact, so much so that if you look up BYD's history, they were a mobile battery manufacturer from the 90s. And just after this news, even Xiaomi has released the design and the model of the car that it's launching in the market, which actually tells you that slowly over the next decade, you will see all mobile manufacturers entering into the EV business. And Apple is not going to be far behind. Share it with someone who may need it.